Ooh, he's a nice largie. Fighting like a smallie. I thought it was a smallie. This is a nice largemouth. Right in the mouth of that creek, guys. Always cast by running water. That's a nice one. Wow. Wow. First fish of the day. Let's measure this guy, guys. 18-incher. Wow. What a nice fish for first fish of the day. Nice 18-incher. Nice one. Nice fish starting the day. You can't complain with a fish like this for the first fish. Let's get him in. There he goes. Nice, nice, nice. Another one by the running water, guys. See, that creek, we got a lot of rain. That creek, fish love running water, especially for like nests. Nice one. Well, I guess we got the male. We got the female, then now we have the male. There we go, guys. Nice keeper. Nice little male. Be a female too. Guys, another one by the creek. I have felt something here in it. Another nice one. Nice, guys. Look, I got 3 fish already. Look at that thing. Huge mouth for the size of this fish. Get him in. Nice. Must be a couple of them there, guys. I just threw that one back. There's another nice one there. Another nice fish. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yes. Yes. This guy's beat up. Wow. There we go, guys. Look at that. Another nice one by that little creek. That, guys. Another beautiful fish. 18 again, guys. Another 18-incher. Awesome. Another nice 18-incher. That's really good, especially up north. Really nice fish. Let's get them in. Can't complain today already. I said always cast by running water, guys. You always do that. It's just a natural. These fishes go naturally through it. Nutrients, little like microinvertebrates, friggin' little fish. You don't know what's in that creek. Those fishes love sitting there, and especially for eggs. They like that running water over their eggs. So keep trying there. See if we get any more. I was trying for bluegill for shits and gigs. I got a nice friggin' bass. Nice. Man, that's a fatty. Look at that, guys. That's a nice one there. That's a nice fatty there. Let's get them in. Nice. These little jigs, guys, are good for a little bit of everything. For bass, bluegill, walleye, perch, like crappie, like literally everything. Everything under the sun would hit this thing. One of these fish is gonna come off because I didn't hook them good. Nice fish. Nice fish. Ooh. Well, I actually hooked him pretty good. All right, guys, another nice one here. Let's measure him. I say he's gonna be like 15. Yeah, he's like 15 and a half. Get him in, guys. Nice, nice, nice. Back to back. This guy's out a little farther. Ooh, ooh. This fish was a... Whoa. This is a nice one. He wasn't really fighting that first. Wow, actually, he is pretty nice. Oh, yes. That might be a... Oh, that's a female. Huh. Barely hooked. Look at that guy. That is a nice one there. I say 17. 16. I'm long. Fat one, though. Fat sea. That's a female. You can tell she has eggs. Get back in. There she goes. Ooh, he's barely hooked. That's a nice one there. He's heavy. There you go, guys. That's a nice one there. I'm gonna bump out. I'm starting to get them out a little farther now in here. At this guy, and I missed them, and I got him. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. They're out far, guys. There's probably about 8 feet in here. Nice 16-incher right here. Ooh, wow, he's heavy. Yeah, oh yeah, that's an easy 3-pounder. He's heavy, guys. Really heavy fish. 15 and a half, and he's that heavy. Wow. Nice. Ooh. Wow, he's fighting good. Ow. Ooh. That's a good one there. Hey, yo, guys, what a tough fighter this fish was. I'm gonna say he's gonna be close to 17. Like 16 and a quarter. Nice, nice. Get him in. Yeah, there he goes. What is that? That's big. What the hell is this fish? Holy shit. This is a big walleye. Oh my god. He hit it like a freaking freight train, this thing. Oh my god. Whoa. 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 I don't want to get in the mortar. Oh. Come on. Oh no. Oh. Wow. Jeez. Wow. Holy hell in hell. 8 pounds. This thing's 8 pounds. 26.5-inch walleye, guys. Huge fish. Oh my good god. Trophy fish, guys. Let's get him back in. Oh my god. What a big fish. Let's freaking go. Might be one of my biggest walleyes today, guys. Wow. Wow. Finesse fishing is what gets you big fish. There we go. Yes. Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Guys, that walleye is probably one of my biggest walleye. It's probably tied as one of my biggest walleye. It's probably tied for #1. The other one from 3 years ago too was big. That's a nice one there. Very nice fish. There we go. Nice large. Let's get him back in now. He was kind of closer to shoreline this one. Oh guys. Ooh. That's a good one there. Don't worry, buddy, he ain't gonna be kept. There you go, guys. Nice fish. What's measure? I'm gonna say he's 15. Yep, 15 on the money. Nice. Wow. He's jumping good. It's a nice fish, man. Kind of really good for us. I mean, he's a nice bass, though. Wow, this is a head. Oh my god, I think this. Wow, look how black this fish is. I mean, they are called black basses. The head of him is really black. Wow, what a fighter. I don't think anyone caught this fish in a while. I think that's why I think it was fighting like a freight train. 16-incher, probably one of the hardest fighting 16 inches I ever caught. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Wow. Whoa. That is a nice fish, dude. Wow. Look at that thing, guys. Another nice 16-incher, probably 16.5. Wow, I'm a genius, guys. All right, guys, let's get him back in. As soon as I hit that bush, this thing just thumped it. Perfect water temp. Water temp is probably, I would say water temp is in the low 70s now. Great day. Nice largemouth here. Nice like 15-incher. Did we try that bush right there? A little bush, right? Boom. Oh, I knew it. I knew this little guy thumped it. Cast at bushes and you will get something. The bush provides cover for these fish, so there you go, buddy. Nice, nice. There we go, guys. That's a nice one here. Another nice 16, 17-incher right. Wow, there we go. He's kind of long. That was 16. Another 16-incher guy. Let's get him in. Nice. Our first crappie. Rain or sunshine, wind, hail, we'll get these fish. Let's measure them. That's a good one. It's a 12.5-incher. Nice. Got a nice fish on, guys. I don't know what this is, but it's big. Ooh, that's a nice one, guys. You didn't even hit it that hard. Oh yes, wow. Ooh. That is the biggest of the day for bass. 18, another 18-incher, guys. That right there is the biggest bass of the day. Nice one here. I'm gonna get him back in. Nice. Oh, nice. That's why grippers are nice, guys. Nice pickerel. Good, man. Oops, sorry, dude. Oh, I think I knocked him out a little bit. There's a bobber right there, guys. I want to grab it. I'm like, let me take a cast first. Look at that. Cast where you think is good. Now, bobber says it looks like a good spot. That bobber's an indicator. Free bobber for me. There you go, guys. Nice. Well, it might be the last bass of the day. One of the last ones. Nice. All right, guys, home now. What a great day of fishing that was. That was an incredible day of fishing, guys. I mean, that walleye, that's tied with my biggest walleye. It's up there in the top 2. It might be my biggest walleye, honestly, guys. This thing was giant. Bass fishing, I was getting them. You could tell some maybe were done with the spawn, and some are still spawning. That's how some fish are different, but some spots I got them far, and some spots I got them really close to the shoreline. But I'm pretty sure it's still the spawn. It's pretty much the spawn now, but some could be done. There could be some that are spawned out already, but I doubt it. Most of them are in that spawn mode. Most of them are shallow water. Using finesse jigs, that's how I got that giant walleye and other fish too. But great day, guys. Great bass too. Some really, really nice sized bass. I mean, can't complain about today. These are the days you want to go out fishing right here. These are the days you dream about, like, okay, that's why I want my fishing day to be like today. Freaking can't complain. The wind wasn't bad, which was nice towards the end, but can't complain, guys. What a fantastic day it was. Finesse fishing for bass, really all of them. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.